Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a system restore point on your Windows 11 computer guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type create restore point. Create a restore point. Open it. In here you need to select your drive guys. You want to restore it. Click on configure. And you just need to select the drive you want to configure restore back in. You just need to I'm gonna selecting local disk C. Click configure and turn on system protection. Click on it and click apply and OK. After doing this on protection, just want to select the create button over here, create option. Click on it and I'm gonna name it as simple guys. I'm gonna name it as date. You whatever you want it, you just name it as guys. Yeah, I'm simply name it as date. That will be super easy to find it. Create it. Creating a restore point. The restore point was created successfully. Close out of here and click system restore and click next and select the restore point we just saved in. Just need to select it and click next and click finish. Click yes guys, and then your system will being restored back to previous state guys. This will take long time to complete it guys. You just need to be patient and wait for it too long. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.